Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your friend Zaid Afzal Dar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time and every time. Today is Monday, 27th June 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in UAE. Starting with the 1 gram price of 24 carats gold without VAT price is 217.28 and with VAT is 228.14. For 22 carats gold 1 gram price is 199.46 and with VAT is 209.43. 21 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 190.12 and with VAT is 199.63. 18 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 162.96 and with VAT is 171.11. For 14 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 127.11 and with VAT is 133.47. For 10 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 90.61 and with VAT is 95.14. Last but not the least, for 6 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 54.32 and with VAT is 57.04. Keeping in mind that the VAT rate in the UAE is 5% out of 100, I hope you'll find this information useful. And if this information is useful to you, please like this video and do share this information with your friends and family so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.